welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Miss Kenya and you should consider subscribing because we have good content over here. And I'm starting this vlog on a Sunday afternoon. I was actually supposed to go to Tiri Nails today. If you're new here, Tiri Nails is where I make my nails. If you are interested, they are located along Thika Road in Jewel Complex. I will give their contacts here and you should try them out, you guys, because their services are dope. But then I didn't go because something came up. I had to cancel the appointment, and then what I cancelled the appointment for didn't happen. So we decided to use this time to go check out a club along Kiabu Road. That's where we are headed to. And yeah, that's it. I am with my nephew there. Bryson, say hi. Unakunywa maji. And my sister. Yeah, so we will see where this vlog goes. For now, let's head there. I'm also hurt. You said I'm sentimental. Guess you might be right. The embers burning red, just waiting to ignite. I still want nothing new. I just thought there's nothing I could do. From that moment I was frozen, stuck without an end. Does it haunt you the same way? We are back home, but we've been here for like 2 hours or so, seated doing nothing. We went club shopping, ended up settling on the first one that we went to. That wasn't the intention. The intention was to go to that one, then go to another one and settle on the best. But going by Google reviews, that was a really good option. And when we were taken around, we actually didn't see the need of going to another club because they have a lot to offer. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to film much because we were really into it. I think I filmed 2 or 3 activities, yeah. So that's that, and I think you've seen the name on this vlog. If not, I will leave it on the screen. And we want to make dinner. My sister is actually the one who is making dinner today because they leave tomorrow and she can't leave without making dinner in this house. Anyway, that's not the reason. The reason is because we are making chapatis and her chapatis are really dope. You guys, I know I make good chapatis, but have you seen hers? Have you seen my sister's? She's actually the one who taught me how to make chapatis, so you will really love her recipe. It's quite similar to mine because I learned from her, but you will love it. She makes really good soft layered chapatis. Now usiniaipisha. You know, food waits for that time when you want to shine and then it flops. Anyway, hers don't. We want to make chapatis and beef stew, and then after that I will remove makeup. I wanted to remove it now. I have foundation on, nothing much. I wanted to remove it now, but we are out of time, so we will cook. And then I will remove makeup and do my skincare routine. I actually want to mask because my face has been acting up, but I am to blame because I haven't been taking care of it. Anyway, I don't want to talk too much. Let's go cook.
So for our dough, we'll be using Ajab home baking flour, all purpose, cooking oil, salt, sugar, and hot water. It's all here. It's just a simple recipe.
My sister refused to talk again in this video, so here I am with a voiceover. The only thing to note, because this recipe is self-explanatory, I think you can pretty much see everything that she's doing. The only thing to note is that she's adding the unga gradually, not all at once, to make sure that your dough remains soft and tender. As
as our dough rests, we are going to be making our beef stew, and this is the classic Kikuyu beef stew: beef, potatoes, carrots, and peas, and that's it.
Sentimental guess, you might be right. The embers burning red, just waiting to ignite. I still want nothing new. I'm just not. There's nothing I could do from that moment. I was frozen, stuck without an end. Does it haunt you the same way it haunts me? It never stops, it never ends. It's all the same every day after day. It never pause, it's always great. It's such a shame 'cause you loved when it rained.
Started with one day, thought that that's all it was. Thought it would end up like it usually does. All the things you do make me feel it's confusing. I don't really know what I'm doing. All I know, this ain't nothing. Should we stop or should we rush in? All I know, this ain't nothing. All I know is we've got something. Has it been a week since we met? Is this too fast? I'm afraid of saying I want this to last. One dance was all I thought it was. Thought it would end like it usually does.
After what seemed like forever, because I'm super hungry, my sister is done cooking. Look at that stew, you guys. Classic Kikuyu beef stew, but it's so yummy. So yummy. I have already tasted it. No kidding. Love it. And the chapatis are here, very tender, very soft. Let me put mine in a bowl so that you can see. We have the chapatis, and this is my bowl of the stew.
Ain't nothing, we've got something. All I know, this ain't nothing. We've got something. All I know, got something.
When you come around, the world stops turning. When you're feeling down, well, I'm also hurting. You said I'm sentimental, guess you might be right. The embers burning red, just waiting to ignite. I still want nothing new. I just thought there's nothing I could do. From that moment I was frozen, stuck without an end. Does it haunt you the same way it haunts me too?
All done with the salon, and I'm here to window shop for a microwave because I really do need to get one. And then after this I have a meeting. This is Naivas Capital Center in case you want to get yourself one. I think I have filmed the prices and the types, so much to choose from, and that's it.
Remind me again, whatever happened, beginning to end, with no satisfaction. You said I'm sentimental, guess you might be right. The embers burning red, just waiting to ignite. I still want nothing new. I just thought there's nothing I could do. From that moment I was frozen, stuck without an end. Does it haunt you the same way?
Not a coffee person at all, but catch me ordering this double cappuccino in Java anytime I'm there. And then I ordered this Caribbean chicken salad, and it was so good, so good. I'm going to order it again, most definitely. Hello, welcome to this vlog. Welcome back, rather. Today is on a Tuesday, and I don't think I have talked today. Today I went to retouch my hair, and you guys, don't I love this hair? I love what they did with it. I love it. I love the styling. I love the twist outs. I love everything. I think you've seen that in the vlog. I will have to do a voiceover, but we will see about that later. I went to shop for a microwave, and I didn't buy that actually, so I know this will go up before I decide on the microwave that I want to buy. And we had a small discussion over on Instagram regarding microwaves, and some people, quite a good number, almost half of the people who participated, were saying that the analog microwaves are it, like the ones with the buttons, but then the others were saying that the smart buttons one, the ones that you just have to press, are it. I was thinking about that as well, but the analog group was saying that if those buttons, the smart buttons, spoil, you don't get the replacements for them easily, and they spoil quite a lot, so I don't know about that. I would also want to hear about your input on the same. Do you have a smart button microwave, and for how long has it served you, and which brand is it? I would also want to know the brand, because I think it also depends on the type of brand that you have, because some people are saying that they have stayed with the smart buttons one for like 12 years, 10 years, 7, 4, 6 and all that, but others were saying it is spoiled after 7 months, after 4 months, after sijui 3 months. So I would want to know about that, because I really want to get a microwave, because I want to start prepping, because we've been spending a lot of money on takeouts. So I think meal prepping will solve that kidogo. So yeah, I really need a microwave for warming food after it gets out of the freezer. So yeah, there is that. And then I went for a meeting. I think you've seen that. So for now, I want to do my skincare, because guess what? On Sunday, I didn't do that. I didn't do that. We ended up talking with my sister for too long. We were sleeping at around 2, so I just removed my makeup and slept. I wasn't going to mask for anyone. Anyway, that's what I want to do right now. So yeah, let's do it. You guys, I am here already to do my skincare. I am showered and everything else is done. And you might hear me talk of skincare and think that I have a full-on skincare routine, but I don't. I am building one. I will be intentional on building one. But what I do, as per now, I cleanse my face, I mask, I moisturize my face and sleep. That's it. Before I build a proper skincare routine, a proper nighttime skincare routine. But for now, let's do what I normally do. So here is where I keep some of my skincare products, like the masks, some of my moisturizers. I think all of them, I don't use a lot of them, and a clean towel. I make sure to keep one here. And I think this is the mask that I'm going to be using, because my face is super dry of late. I don't know why. And this one is super hydrating. I can use this one as well, because I find it super hydrating, this Uncover green tea. But I will use this, and this is the moisturizer that I'm going to use for the night. This Perfect and Radiant Even Tone Night Cream from Nivea. So yeah, and I'm going to be using, no, I'm not going to use it. I'm going to be using this Simple Green Tea Goodness. It's resisting facial wash from Simple. So let's get into that.
Every day after day, you never pause. It's always great. It's such a shame 'cause you loved when it
So this says that you should keep it for 15 minutes, but I like keeping it longer just in case. It's been like 20 minutes. That felt amazing. That felt amazing, you guys. And my face feels amazing as well. Look at that glow. Also, it's super hydrated. I'm going to go in with this. I'm not waiting for that to dry. I should be sleeping. And that's it. I think I'm ready for bed now. I just want to sleep. So that's it. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment on the comment section below, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.